Where's that hiccup? Hiccup?
No hiccup. No hiccup.
There's a sneeze. Where's your hiccup?
There's no hiccup.
I don't believe you. Do you like looking yourself in the camera?
I'm gonna call you. Hey, Dad.
I see.
I'm gonna hold it for you.
No, I haven't got the camera.
Hey, I'm gonna hold it. Hey, hey. Hey. Stop.
All right, we're going to put it away. It's time to finish the story.
I want to hold it so I can see you.
Don't push the buttons. Don't push the buttons. Just hold it like that. Is that better?
Look, I can hold it on the phone.
Just by the edges. Don't push the button. There's me. And you. Where did your hiccups go?
I don't know.
Did you eat them?
I think I did.
All right. All right, well, let's stop recording and finish the book. Okay.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Say adios.
Adios.
Say hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista, baby.